guys, and welcome back to Manicentric, or welcome if you're new. Today we are finally doing my August PPU haul, so if you enjoy live swatches and making your own nail polish, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Also, I'll have all the information for polish pickup, including website and, Facebook and Instagram, so that you can stay up to date on what's going on. So, remember guys, I told you that DRK kit was coming home with me. I had to get it. Had to get it for me, also for the grandbaby because she's a huge fan of nail polish. If you guys are watching closely, there's already a bottle missing because she has already popped it open, made her pink nail polish, and I will show pictures of that a little bit later. Also, it came with a ton of bags of pigments and stuff. I know that you guys have already seen this, so I'm going through it super fast because it's not necessary to go over it again. Also, DRK made a Facebook group for, recipes and stuff. But I'm going at it with pretty much nothing but my imagination. So we'll see how this goes. So I'm starting out with Maniology polishes that I already like from the Rainbow Splash collection. That's Garden Gnome and Ocean Depths. You can already see has been used a lot. So that one, and then I've got Thermal Turquoise Pigment and the little vials of iridescent purple, pink, green flakes, as well as some UCC flakes and some holographic, so pigment, I don't know, powder stuff. And I'm literally just dropping drops of nail polish in here. Apparently Ocean Depths has gotten to the point where it's a little gooey, so getting drops off of the end of that brush was just like extra excruciating. So possibly I see some thinner in its future. And I ended up actually doing in total 4 drops of, or was it 5? 4 or 5 drops of blue. Whatever. I needed more blue in there, but I definitely did 2 drops of green. So I think it was 4 and 2. And then I stirred it up, as you guys can see, to get that color in there. And I ended up going back and putting more drops in because it was just not opaque enough yet for me. And this video is sped up a little, so. But yeah, here you guys can see me going back to put in more blue, so we'll see if I actually remember it. Nope, it was 4 and 2. Okay, so I left myself a little hint so that when I did the voiceover, I would know what was going on. And then I actually just, tapped pigments in, and I tried to do a little bit at a time because the thing with this kit is that you want to add a little bit at a time because you can always add more, whereas when you add too much, you can't take it away. It's just there. It's part of your life now. So more stirring. I would have just stirred at the end, but I really wanted to see how everything was turning out at each time that I added. And like, as for the flakies, I did go back each time. Like, you're gonna see me shake some in. And I had my overhead like ceiling fan on, so like my pigments were scattering and flying around, but I tapped, stirred it up, and then added more off camera and then more tapping, but I'm going to add more off camera. I was trying not to use all of it because I have 2 more bottles left and 2 more brushes. This was really more so supposed to be for a demo because I don't want to leave the person who's supposed to be using the kit with no supplies. That would be kind of mean because there was not enough money in the budget to grab 2 kits. So I only grabbed 1. And now I'm just sprinkling just a little hollow in. I didn't put a lot of hollow in because I didn't know how it would really affect it, and I didn't want it to change the polish too much. So pretty much once this is all stirred up, as soon as I'm pretty sure I like the formula. And by the way, guys, I started out with like 10 milliliters and then poured stuff in, and I was like, I totally had too much, so maybe a little less than 10 milliliters. And that's my mixture right there. So now we start the pouring process, which it was really impressive that it was pretty smooth. I didn't have any issues with like the polish going everywhere. It went straight into the bottle, so I guess that's why I didn't actually like need a funnel. But then you guys are going to see me do my rendition of trying to scrape it all out. Or maybe I cut it. I hope I cut it because that was some desperation right there, trying to scrape it all out. And then I put the brush in. And of course, I like took the brush out because I just couldn't wait to see how translucent it was going to be or what was going to happen. And then you twist the top on and it clicks into the cap, which if any of you have replaced your brushes on polishes, then you already knew that was going to happen. And guys, I didn't even put on a base coat for this. I was just like that excited that I was just like, I just want to see what's going to happen. So this is me at 1 coat, and that's again at 2 coats. And this is the final result at 3 coats. I didn't even put a top coat on it. And I didn't see the transition yet. So we're moving straight along to the other polishes that I got from PPU. I got Cupcakes Sake Up Close. And I'm really, really, really excited about this one because it's so pretty. It's really, really, really pretty. I just love this foil look with this red jelly base. It's everything to me. I just can't get over how beautiful this polish is. And I am low-key kind of mad that my camera is like, no focusing here. And I'm like, I just need you to just reflect how gorgeous this is for a second. Like, I will be totally happy if you just do it for like 2 seconds. And like, you can see the gold, you can see the orange, you can see the red. And with that base, it's just so satisfying to stare at. So I'm going in with 2 coats on it. And I've got more than enough of the flaky goodness, but I'm in love with Cupcake's formulas with these like flaky foil like looks. They're so pretty to me. I can't resist them. I think that's why I grabbed, was it Rock My World? I think it was Rock My World because it was similar. And then I just have to get polished for days. I don't know why, like every month. And I was slightly mad because there was somebody here with me who decided to get Fire Rainbow on their nails while I was putting Sake Up Close on mine, because they were like, you can't wear 2 polishes at once. And I was like, no, I can't, not for swatch photos. So her reasoning was, okay, well then I want the blue one on my nails. So There will be swatch photos I will put in for you guys to see. But, oh, you know what? I'll do that right now. So I added in a picture of her pink polish that we made together. She decided to name it Shimmer Glitter. So that was a close-up of that. And then this is the one that I made, which you can see a slight transition near the cuticle. It's called See You Later. And this one is Sake Up Close. So that's it. And somebody sharing my spotlight by getting their own swatch pick of Fire Rainbow. And my swatch pick of Fire Rainbow. That is it for me today, guys. I hope everyone is doing well. If you like this video, go ahead and leave me a like. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Thanks for your time, my nail fam. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.